Is Airalo the best eSIM for travelers? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about Airalo eSIM. From its competitive pricing to its impressive global coverage, Airalo has become a go-to choice for many travelers. But is it really the best option for you? We'll explore the pros and cons of using Airalo and how it compares to other eSIM providers like yesim, which offers an unlimited data package. yesim's flexibility with unlimited data makes it a strong contender, especially if you're a heavy data user. You can find more about yesim's plans here. Setting up an Airalo eSIM is fairly straightforward. Just purchase a plan through their app, download the eSIM, and activate it on your device. This convenience makes it easy to stay connected, but be sure to check if your destination is covered. We'll also cover some common issues like eSIM compatibility and what to do if you run into problems. If you're traveling to multiple countries or need a reliable internet connection on the go, an eSIM can be a game changer. We'll help you decide if Airalo is worth it for your next trip. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more travel tech reviews.